Don't you just hate it when you're in the middle of a deep focus task, finally in the zone, and then your RingCentral phone starts ringing? Or maybe it's 7 p.m. on a Friday and a client is calling, but you're already off the clock. Or perhaps it's a number you just don't want to talk to. In a world of constant connection, sometimes the most productive thing you can do is disconnect. But how do you do that without completely missing an important call or making a terrible impression? This video is for everyone who uses RingCentral for work and wants to regain control of their time and focus. We're going to dive deep into the best-kept secrets of RingCentral to show you exactly how to avoid calls, not just by ignoring them, but by using the platform's powerful features to your advantage. We'll cover everything from simple, temporary fixes for when you need a quiet moment, to long-term strategies that automate your call handling and make your life so much easier. Let's start with the quickest and easiest way to get some peace and quiet, the digital equivalent of putting a Do Not Disturb sign on your office door. I'm talking about the Do Not Disturb feature. Now, you've probably seen this, but have you used it to its full potential? We're going to show you how to enable it, what happens when it's on, and how to set a timer so you don't forget to turn it off. This is perfect for when you're jumping into a meeting, need to focus on a presentation, or just want to grab a coffee without interruption. When you toggle this on, all calls will automatically be sent to your voicemail. Simple, effective, and it takes about 2 seconds. But what if Do Not Disturb is a bit too much? You still want to be available, but only for certain people. This is where a little-known RingCentral feature comes in: custom call handling rules. This is where you can get really strategic. Imagine you have a new project with a specific client. You can create a rule that says, when this client calls, ring my desk phone and my mobile, but for everyone else, just forward them to voicemail. Or maybe you want all calls from your boss to ring through no matter what. You can set up a rule just for them. Let's break down how this works. You'll go into your settings and find the incoming call rules section. Here you can create a custom rule. You'll be able to specify the conditions for the rule, which could be a specific phone number, a contact, or even a group of people. Then you'll define the action. This is where you can tell RingCentral what to do with the call. You can forward it to another number, send it straight to voicemail, or play a custom announcement. You can even set a specific schedule for these rules. This is a game changer for anyone who has a busy and unpredictable schedule. Now let's talk about the dreaded after-hours call. You've clocked out, you're enjoying your evening, and then your phone rings. RingCentral has a fantastic solution for this that you can set up once and forget about. We're talking about the after-hours settings. You can set up your work schedule right in the app. This is more than just a calendar. This tells RingCentral when you are and are not working. During your defined work hours, calls will be handled according to your normal preferences. But for anything that comes in during after hours, you can set up a completely different set of rules. For example, you can have all after-hours calls go straight to a special after-hours voicemail box with a specific greeting that tells clients you're closed for the day and will get back to them in the morning. This sets a clear boundary and manages expectations without you ever having to answer a call you don't want to. And what about those persistent spammers or telemarketers? We all get them. RingCentral has a powerful tool to deal with these unwanted callers for good: the call blocking feature. You can block specific numbers directly from your call log. It's incredibly easy. Just find the number in your recent calls, click on it, and select the option to block the number. Once a number is blocked, it's blocked from calling you, faxing you, or leaving a voicemail. You are completely disconnected from them. No more annoying rings, no more wasted time. Finally, let's touch on the call forwarding feature. This is a more comprehensive solution for when you're out of the office for an extended period, like on vacation. You can set up RingCentral to forward all incoming calls to a colleague, a different number, or even a ring group. This is different from the other rules because it's a blanket rule that overrides all other settings. It's the ultimate out-of-office assistant for your phone. You can set this up for a specific duration so you don't have to remember to turn it off when you get back. So there you have it. You don't have to be a slave to your RingCentral phone. You have the power to control when, where, and how you receive calls. By using the Do Not Disturb feature for quick, temporary breaks, creating custom call handling rules for specific situations, setting after-hours rules to protect your personal time, blocking unwanted numbers, And using call forwarding for extended absences, you can make RingCentral work for you, not the other way around. Reclaim your focus, protect your time, and enjoy the silence when you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.